Hi, boys and girls. My name is Mr. K, and today I'm going to show you how to enter in your responses to the resource Sportstistics Baseball. Now, even though baseball is not being played right now, it's still a great way to practice our math skills because baseball has been around in our country for a long time, and there's lots and lots of math embedded into the game of baseball. So there are 12 different categories in which we look at the top 10 players in each of those categories. So for the hits, here are the top 10 uh, players, and this is how many hits that they had, are they recorded. To enter in an answer, you click your cursor into a green box, and then you type your response. And because this is on Google Slides, it automatically saves it for you. So anytime you see a green box, that means you need to type in an answer there. Now, please use a separate piece of paper to do your work and practice those math skills. There's addition questions, subtraction, multiplication, division. There's a couple data set questions, and there's even a written response question. So let's go down a little bit. And let's look at batting average. So the batting average asks you to take a look at the minimum, the maximum, and the range. So once again, just put your cursor in the box and you can put in your answer. And if we look down here, as one of our pitching category questions, there is a written response. So once again, just put your cursor in the box and then type your answer. Once you get all done, you share this with your teacher and they'll see the great math work that you're doing. If you have any questions, please ask your teacher, and good luck with this and have a great rest of your school year. Thank you.